Today, Joe and I are going to teach you how to unclog your shower drain. I like to put painter's tape over the holes. Sometimes you can't do that if your shower's backed up, but if you just have a slow drain, you can do this, and that way you won't lose your screws. So we're going to take these screws out, and I like to set them outside of the shower so that we do not accidentally drop them out of the drain. So we're going to set those right there. And then we're going to remove the drain and just set it out of the way. So now we're ready to, the first thing we're going to do, the first trick we're going to try is the coat hanger. So if you don't have a plunger or a hand drum, you can try unclogging with a coat hanger. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to snip it. Whoopsie. I'll snip it right there, and I'm going to leave a little hook, and I'm just going to take and bend that hook, make it a little bit more narrow, and then I'm going to straighten out the hanger. And then we're just going to put it down the drain and see if we can't fish something out of there. My favorite, most efficient way to clean your shower drain is with a hand drum. They make several different types and brands. They're basically all the same. They have a locking mechanism, something similar to this. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can also pick up one at a hardware store, your local hardware store. I just want to show you before we get started your shower drain. So here's your shower drain, and underneath your tub is a P-trap. It always has water in it. If your tub or if your shower fills up within just a couple of minutes, more than likely your clog is going to be right here. It'd probably be a hair clog. So if it takes several minutes, it's probably on down the drain. Now the hand drums will go about 20 feet. They're usually not going to unclog a drain if it's 20 feet down. You're usually going to have to call your plumber so he can use a electric machine to be able to put in here and unclog it. So what we're going to do is we're going to, it's going to go up, it's going to go down here, up through here, and out, and hopefully we're going to pull out some hair. So you guys ready? Let's see what we can find in here. So we've got this locked. We're just going to start fishing it down the drain. Now then, it's got about as far as it's going to go, so we're going to lock it, and then we're going to turn and push. Oh, now we've made the trap, so now we're going to unlock it, pull it out some more, keep pushing. So what's happened is I've actually made it through that trap, and we're just going to turn it, and then we're going to pull the cable back up. All right, we got a little bit of goopy stuff there. This drain is not really that dirty, so that's a good thing, but if yours is, this is how you do it. Okay, the last thing we're going to show you is how to unclog your shower with a plunger. Now, if it's your own shower, you can stand in here barefooted, and it's only going to work if it's backed up, if you're standing in water. Obviously, our shower is not backed up, and if I come to your house, I'm not going to stand in your shower backed up with bare feet. I'm going to put on some boots. But the first thing you're going to want to do is have a flat plunger, not the cone ones. So you want the flat plunger. You're just simply going to put it over the hole like this, and you're just going to start plunging, 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 plunging. And a lot of times that will just push the water, your clog, right on down the drain. a soft blockage, and you'll be good to go. I also want to note you don't have to take the grate off if it's backed up and you're using the plunger. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, share, and please be sure to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.